Hello guys, in this video, we are going to make melon juice, and it is very easy. First, we are going to cut the melon in half. Then, we are going to separate the center part where the seeds are located. Then, we are now going to shred the melons. The juice of this part is what we are going to use, and we will add these shredded melons on the juice. Now, we will pour 1 small cup of brown sugar, then add water, and then dissolve the sugar by keep on mixing. Then add the shredded melon, and finally add the juice from the seed part. Let's now prepare ice cubes and pour the melon juice. Add the shredded melon when serving. Thank you for watching.